Did you know that too many refunds, even if they are legitimate, can get your supplement merchant account flooded? Processors often see sudden spikes as a sign of poor fulfillment or unclear product expectations. Here's an easy way to check for red flags. List your last 20 sales and note the refund reasons. Then look for repeat patterns like late delivery, didn't work, or wrong item shipped. Those patterns tell you exactly where customers might be losing confidence. Spotting refund trends like this gives you a clear picture of what's causing friction before processors notice it first. If you can address those patterns early, you will protect both your revenue and your merchant account stability. But beyond manual tracking, EasyPay Direct takes this a step further. Their system actively monitors your chargeback ratios and helps identify risky refund activity before it triggers reviews or fund holds. A quick note from their FAQ section: a nutraceutical merchant account is built for supplement and health product businesses, which tend to have higher refund rates. That's why tools like chargeback monitoring and transaction routing make such a difference. They help your account in good standing even when sales fluctuate. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can explore their refund and chargeback monitoring tools for supplement businesses. Catching refund trends early can save your account from major issues. With a simple tracker and EasyPay Direct's built-in protection, you can keep your payments stable and your customers happier. The sign up link is right there in the description when you are ready.